Hi, I'm Patricia and I'm an exchange student from Czech Republic and I'm in the Rose Business School and I'm gonna show you how to use Canvas platform. This is the first thing you're gonna see when you open Canvas, the dashboard. There's gonna be all the activity you need to do throughout your semester and also all the assignments you have to do for the next week and in the future, etc. Also, the professors can put you an announcements in this dashboard, so you will know like what's gonna happen or if the class is cancelled, etc., etc. So now let me talk about another really important button over here, and it's called Courses. And when you open it, you'll see all the courses you're having for the semester. And then, if you're an international student, you will see International Center check-in and orientation. These two are important for the first month because it will show you all the details you have to do for to get check-in here in the Rose Business School. And also, if you are an employee in campus, for example, for my job in dining over here, you can see all the stuff you have to do for getting this job. For example, I had to do some quizzes. So that's why I had it here on the canvas. And then I'll just show you how to use, for example, for some of your classes. So for example, here for 07 class, you'll just open it and then home button, you'll just see welcoming post. And then when you click on modules, you will see the syllabus, which is the most important part. So to see like what's going to happen throughout the semester, and then it depends. The modules and how the courses looks like are it's the professors. The professors manage that, so it could be differently. So I'll just show you this and then one other, and here are just. For example, here are weekly slides. So if you need to know, if you want to see what happened last week, for example, week 3, you just open it and you'll see all the slides what were shown that day. Also, there are some helpful materials, and if you're in a team project, you will see some examples of the media planner or any other examples of the stuff you are doing for your course. And then you here are the virtual office hours. So when you click on it, you will see a Zoom link to the professor's office hours, and here are also the office hours for the TAs. So this is also really easy to use. Then you have your announcements. So if there is anything your professor want to share with you for or your TA, like for example they cancel a course, they cancel a class for next week, then you will know through these announcements. So it's really important to check it, and also they will remind you of stuff like in this class we are communicating with a client, so she is telling us what to do next, what are the steps we have to take, and many other important stuff what can be here in the announcements. Then in assignments, you will here are all the submissions you have to do. So you will just click on it, and even though already you see it's submitted, so that's fine. And then, well, let me show you some I didn't do yet. For example, I already did that. Upcoming assignments here. So you will just click on it, and here are the place for you to upload the stuff you need to do. Also here are people who are also sharing the same class with you, or if you just want to see this is my professor or your TAs, that all you can just search here. And then you will hear the grades. You just go through it and you will see all the grades. And when you click here on this button, these are the comments for your grade. So you will see why did you receive that amount of score, etc. But as I said before, it could be managed differently. It depends on your professor. So let me show you Become 3 to 9. And when you click on it, the home button will show you exactly the same as the modules. So it doesn't matter if you click on modules or home, it's gonna be the same. And here, firstly, that's actually almost everywhere the same. The first thing is the syllabus. And then, as you can see here, it's all made like class 1, class 2, class 3, and you just scroll down and see all the classes and the requirements for these classes. So for example, in class 9 here, you'll see we will have a quiz, and then what should we read for this class or the next class. So reading here for class 10, it's really easy. You will understand it really fast. And then this is the reading for class 10, and then here you can see for the class 10 what we are gonna do. Then also you have the assignments. Here are the assignments, what you have to do or you didn't do. This is the overdue assignments. It's because it's a group project, so just one person is gonna submit it. And then here are the upcoming assignments. So assignments what you still have to do, and then the past assignments you already did. So it's really easy to use. Again, virtual office hours if you need to get in contact with your professor. And then here is the chat. For example, our professor used the chat if you need, so we had a presentations, and if you wanted to manage what topic you want to pick, so you just wrote the topic here. But it depends again about the professor how we're going to use this chat. For many other classes I have, we don't even use this. Then again, grades and people. And that's about all the classes are really similar. And here are the groups. Here are all the groups you are in throughout all the classes you have. So you can just click on it, and I never use it because we don't use this page to communicate with with our group. We use WhatsApp, but you can see people who are in your group. You can open it and see your contact, and also you can see your professors and TAs here. And the last feature which you can use is the calendar. You can manage it to put it like weekly or monthly. And then really good to know is this calendar feed, and if you click on it, you can download your calendar to Google Calendar or Outlook, etc. So this is really good to use. So thank you for listening. This is all you need to know about Canvas platform, and I hope you will have the greatest experience here in Michigan.